My name is Abhik Bharti. So today I will teach you how to download BlueStacks emulator free in PC. So first what you have to do, you have to open the browser you use, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Brave or whatever you use, open it. Then search for BlueStacks. When you search BlueStacks, press enter. Then at the first link, this one, click on that. Then here we will get two options, download BlueStacks 5 or 10. I would recommend you download to 10. So click on the 10 and then select the location where you want to download it. Then click save. Now close your browser and here where you have saved, there you open and then you will be see this setup file. Click on that. Then click yes. Then wait some time. Then click install now. This might take a time because it's so many MBs. It's of so many MBs. So then when it will be downloaded, this type of screen will come. Wait this to download. Then click OK here. Then here all the will be shown what you have to, how you have to do and do all. So here you can find apps and games and all. And before doing any install, you have to sign in. So let me sign in. So I have signed in, as you can see here it is shown. So now you can install apps and games, whatever apps and games you want. So I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.